What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this video, we are going to create a sheet using the title block. Okay, so as you can see right now, this is my title block family. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna show you how to add a company logo to our title block. So let's say for example, this is where I'm going to place the title block. Okay, so to start that, so let's go to the Insert tab. And then from the import, so you have here import image. Okay, so let's click this one, and then I'll be selecting my company logo. So I'm going to select here open, and this is where I'm going to place it. That's it. Okay, so you can click your image, you can still stretch that one out, and then you can use the arrow on your keyboard to change the position or edit the location of your image. Okay, so now the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to show you how to add a drawing number label to our title block. So let's say for example I'm going to do it here. Okay, so let's do this. So to put a label, so let's go to the create tab, because we have two types of text here on our family. So we have label, and then we have text. So text is just a normal text. Okay, so there's no intelligence on that one. It is not updated automatically, but label is. So let's go to the create tab, and then I'm going to select here the label. All right, and then let's check out the properties of this if we have other options. So we have several options here for our label. So we have drawing number, so we have drawing title, tag 1, and then tag 2. For this one, I'm going to use the drawing label, drawing number type. Okay, so let's click that one, and then after that, I'm going to make sure this is on middle align and align left. Okay, so I'm going to pick here. There you go. And then what is now the label that you're going to place here? Okay, so for this one, since this is a drawing number, so I'm going to look for sheet number. So let's select the sheet number, and then let's add that parameter. Okay, so as you can see, here's the sample value. You can change this one if you want. So let's say we are using structural, so you can change this to S, something like that, and then just select your OK to finish up, and then select modify. All right, so now you can click your label, so you can align that to that side, and that's it. So you can still stretch that up to this point here. There you go. You can click that. Okay, so now the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to add a date label to our title block. Okay, so that you will be able to see what's the date of the printing or the current date in your project. All right, so let's do this. So to do that, I'm going to zoom into this corner here. Right, and then we are going to add a text here first. So let's go to the create, and then let's select text. Let's click the text, and then for the type, so I'll be using here 2.5 mm. So let's click this. Again, I'm gonna put that on the middle align left. So I'm going to pick here, and then I'm going to type save date colon, and then just click outside. Right, and then I'm going to select here modify. So I'm gonna click this, and then I'm gonna click that icon there to rotate my text, and then I'm going to put it somewhere here, or maybe inside here. There you go. All right, and then after that, we're going to place another label. Right, so let's place again another label. So let's activate our label tool. So create label, And then I'm going to select here, let's say the tag 2 type. Click that, and then let's pick here. Again, the edit label dialog box will pop out. So let's look for the date. This one, date timestamp. Let's add that parameter. And then after that, let's select OK. And then let's select here modify. Again, I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to rotate that. Then let's move that. You can also use your arrow, the arrow on your keyboard, to move your date. There you go. Okay, so this will gonna be updated automatically. Okay, now the next thing that I'm gonna do here is I'm going to create a sheet, and then we will be using this title block. So this is our title block. Okay, so I'm going to create a new project. So new, let's create a structural template, new project, and then I'll select here OK. Alright, and then I'm going to select here the project browser, and then here I don't have a sheet, right? So I'm now going to load my title block. So to do that, let's go to the insert, and then let's load family, or since the family is already here, it's already open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select here my family again, this one, and then I'm going to load that into the project. So let's select load into project, and it's now already loaded. So it says here, can't create this kind of element in this view in the current mode. Well, because we are on structural plan view. So that's okay. The family is now already loaded here. So I'm going to select here, close. So let's create a sheet. So let's right click this, and then let's select a new sheet. And there's the one. This is the title block that we have loaded. So I'm going to select here OK. And there you go. So as you can see, there's now my image, the logo, there's our drawing number label, and then there's our date here. So this one automatically updates, right? Okay. So if you click the properties here, you can see here the sheet number. So if I change this, let's say for example to S.101, and then I select apply, you will notice automatically our label here updates. So that's the difference between the text and label in your family editor. Okay, so the label, it automatically updates when you change it. The text remains a text. So we use that as a placeholder, like this one, like this one. All right. Okay, so basically that's how you edit your title block. Okay, so that's how you modify it. That's how you place some labels like drawing number and your save date. So if you want to add more to this title block, so all you have to do is to click the title block and then edit again, and then you can now play around. So you can add text again, you can add label, and then you can also add your lines here, because these are just lines. So as you can see, this is just a wide lines, and then this one is line title block. So you can change the subcategory here, and then you can add some more lines here. Okay, so that's it. So hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.